Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add video and hosting your website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred browser and go to Hostinger homepage. From your Hostinger H panel, click on Websites, then select Edit Website next to the site where you want to add the video. To insert a video, click on the plus icon and choose Add Element. Here you'll find the video element. Simply drag it onto your page where you want the video to appear. Once the video element is added, we'll adjust its appearance. First, align it to the center, then increase the section height to make more room. You can also move the video slightly down and resize it for better visibility. Now, click on the video and select Edit Video. By default, it embeds a sample YouTube link. You can replace this with your own YouTube video link. Just paste your URL and the video will update automatically. However, if you have a video stored locally on your computer, note that Hostinger doesn't support direct uploads. When you click on Upload Video, it will prompt you to upload your video to Google Drive first and then embed it manually. To do this, open your Google Drive, locate your uploaded video, click on three dots and open in New tab. Then click on the three-dot menu and select Embed Item. Copy the embed code provided and click OK. Then go back to the Hostinger website builder. Click on Add Element. Then choose Embed Code. Paste the copied code, and click Embed Code again to apply it. After everything is set, click Preview, and you'll see the video properly embedded and playing on your page, either from YouTube or directly from Google Drive, and that's it. So that is how you can add video and hosting your website. So that's all for this video. Thanks.